The most powerful phrase to instantly manifest money. Before we get started, if you'd like a free manifestation program that has helped over 10,000 people to help you manifest anything you desire, click the link in the description below. The most powerful phrase to instantly manifest money. Just like any other change in life, no one can manifest money fast for you. When you are truly ready, you will be able to accomplish this entirely fair and doable goal. Be sure to take some top quality time with yourself to think about exactly how much money you want to attain and when you want to attain it. Follow your own tips and your own goals. Be sure that the measures you take in manifesting money fast are actions that feel right to you. Don't let others dictate this goal. Many men and women are free with advice and want to tell you all about the best methods to take. Bear in mind to take what you need and depart the rest. If the advice of others does not feel right for you, don't follow it. That was the past and this is the present. One of the first methods you need to take when manifesting money fast is establishing a clear demarcation point between your past life without money and your present and future life with money. You must make a clear decision that you will improve your top quality of life, the level of your wealth, and the amount of money you attract starting here and now. Believe in yourself. Take your goal of manifesting money easily very seriously. It's vital that you have a firm belief in yourself and in your capacity to manifest money. If you have a deep and ingrained belief that no matter what you do, money will not come to you, that will indeed be the case. No matter what measures you take, they will not be successful except if you truly believe that they will be successful. Give yourself credit score for being able to attain your goals. Be fair. Be sure to set attainable goals so that your belief in your potential to attain them will actually be justified. If you set your goal at a very tiny amount of money attained in a very short time, you'll be very highly likely to meet success. However, you may not meet satisfaction. If you are absolutely unrealistic and set your goal at a wildly outrageous point that you wish to attain in a day or two, you will be not likely to meet with success. By setting attainable money manifestation goals, you will be far more likely to have speedy and consistent success. Clarify your goal. How much money would you make, and how often would you make it? Determine what you want your income to be on a weekly, monthly, and annual basis. Decide how much money you finally want to have and establish a timeline for your goal. Avoid getting vague goals that will happen someday. This type of goal actually never happens. It's very important that you set specific goals for your timeline of manifesting money. Dare to dream. Once you've decided how much money you want to manifest and when you want to manifest it, you must permit yourself to dream about what you will do with it. Determine exactly what will change when you manifest more money. Treat the principle of your money as if it were a reality. Make definite plans so that the moment the money is manifested you'll be able to step ahead with your goal. Again, don't let others tell you what the smart goals for the use of your money may be. Your coronary heart must be invested in obtaining and using the money that you manifest. Identify debts you would like to pay off, trips you would like to take, and investments and purchases that you would like to make. Create a wish book or a scrapbook to help you visualize what you'll do with your money when you manifest it. Live in plenty now. In addition to the physical alterations that your manifested money will make in your life, you should also think about how your new prosperity will make you feel and give yourself the luxury of feeling that way right now. Write down the issues you will do with your money and what you will feel and think about persons, items. Take some meditation time to imagine yourself enjoying your newfound wealth. Possessing a clear mental picture of your successful self will help you manifest that success. Take proactive measures to make your dreams come true. Keep in mind that when you are working towards goals, it's very important that you make smart choices that whittle away habits and methods that don't support the goals and hone persons that do. Although this may seem very simple, it actually isn't. Many folks act only on impulse and don't think about the effects of their measures. If you want to manifest money, you must build a set of habits and methods that will attract money to you. Among these habits and measures are changing your view of money. If you're constantly grasping for money now, you must learn to step back from it and view it as a tool for your use. One example of this sort of smart choice is job choice. If you're stuck in a dead-end job, you must take the beneficial action of searching for a far better job. It is wonderful to envision yourself as manifesting money fast, and that will surely help you to attain your goals. However, if you neglect making good, definite, proactive choices and decisions that will carry you to your goal, you will not get there. If some of these actions are very monumental, you may wish to break them down into smaller objectives so that the adjustments you seek will be attainable step by step. Surround yourself with good men and women. Along the traces of honing your measures to support your goals, you must also hone your associations. Seek out the people today who will generally support you and believe in you. Many of us go through life surrounded by people today who wish to criticize us and find fault. If you surround yourself with these types of folks, you will not be able to succeed no matter what else you do. Seek out like-minded persons who believe in themselves and will believe in you and support you in manifesting money. Practice is perfect. Understand that as you manifest money, you'll go through the principles presented here over and over again. Take note of the thoughts presented here by either writing them down in your journal and brainstorming on them with yourself or generating them out or both. Work your way through all of these principles within the next 24 hours to make some definite, good and measurable modifications in your life and enhance your potential to manifest money. Read through these principles and think on them daily or weekly or monthly or as often as necessary to keep the notion of manifesting money at the forefront of your mind. This practice will help you to stay focused on your goals, and it will support your belief that you can and will manifest money fast. Are you struggling to manifest the things you want in life? You know you want to live a positively abundant life, but there's one problem. It's hard. That is, until now. Today, I have a special free gift for you. It's a free manifestation program. Just click the link below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and get your free manifestation program by clicking the link in the description below.